I'm introducing you to a Chagga Hut. This is a Chagga Hut, which is normally built by grasses and reeds or rocks. Welcome inside and see. And this is the kitchen. As you can see, we are cooking. And now we are cooking kibulu. It's a mixture of banana plus beans. This is the mwiko. And also here we have a calabash. This is the utensils where they used to put milk inside. This is my pot, which they used to put water inside so that they can cook. This is the basket where you take to the market and buy things and bring it so that you can start cooking. Now let's come to the bed. It's made up by animal skin. This is a lamp. As you can see, it's dark inside. They use a lamp so that they can see. Now there's a place where the animal used to stay, as you can see. The animal and the place where the animal will eat. And also behind that door, they used to put tools, like weapons, like the spear and the djembe or stuffs. And then up there used to be a store where they put food and wood. That's all for the Hut House in Chagga House. Thank you. This is a grinding stone used by our ancestors to grind sorghum, millet, medicine, and maize. For those people who are professional, it can take like 20 minutes to grind a kilo. People like me will take like 2 hours to grind a kilo. You're welcome to Cape Jesus Park.